Here's something you don't see, and that's because it was a one-year-only design, the 1958 Chevy Impala. It's got great lines, great style. Body off frame restored, this one here. Has a 348 tri-power under the hood, recently upgraded with power disc brakes, lowered suspension, and some staggered wheels. Go to volocars.com. That's where you find the price tag on this one and 200 others as well. And each one will also have a monthly payment option. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this has the quad headlights. I think it was the first year for that. Yeah, it was. This all looks very good, straight, fits nice, shiny paint. Tops of the fenders here all look really good. The body crease looks really nice. All looking real good, straight, smooth all the way down here. Shuts like a new car. Look at this roof. It's in excellent shape. But I like how this detail comes out with that chrome vent there. And there's a body line right here. The big rounded quarter panels all looking good. Big trunk panels looking good. It all looks nice. I don't see any rust or damage. All clean, straight. All looking nice. That other door shut real nice. Let's try this one. Yeah, that shuts really good too. Smooth, clean all along the bottom. Painted its original color, Cashmere Blue. I checked the tag. And overall, very, very nice. Nothing significant at all to talk about. Polished, smooth, and glossy. Windshield looks like that's been replaced. That's nice and clear. Chrome fender spears have been replaced. All the chrome up here is sparkling. It's all 7, 8, 9 out of 10. Looking good. Nice chrome grille. I'm also noticing it has T3 headlights. That's what they had originally. So those are reproduction headlights. Yeah, the front of that car is sharp. These look new. The side trim, probably all new. I'm looking at it. There's no dents. It's shiny. All this trim is shiny. That's the cross flags for the 348. The rain gutters, even the vent window frame, all this is looking really good. Trim's very nice on the car. Rocker moldings, I believe, were optional. Just look at all the details. All looks good. Optional dual antennas. I mean, 58 was a year, more was better. I mean, there's just stuff all over this car. Look at the molding around there. That's cool. The 3 tail lights, well, 1 reverse light. This is missing the little rubber bumpers that holds that in place. That's where you put the gas in. So we'll put them in. That's all shiny. Rear window looks very clear. The wheels, they're Billet Specialties 18s and 20s with performance tires. They're not even a few months old. They were just recently put on. Goes good with the lower stance. Gives the car a nice, fresh, modern look. So now why don't we open it up? We'll show you that cool multicolor interior. Okay, let's see what's in this giant trunk. Well, the bottom of the trunk has clean paint, so does the jamb. The weather strip is replaced. All clean metal, all painted blue. Underneath the mat, it does have a sound deadener laid down, Dynamat, and 1 big rubber reproduction mat. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon so you're notified when these beauties are posted. Visit volocars.com too. You're in for a treat. So door jambs look very clean. Weather strips look good. Sill plates are shiny. Now the interior, multicolor interiors, and that blue in the middle, that's an anodized trim. A lot of times you'll see those where guys just paint them. But this has the actual anodized trim, all multicolors, the armrests, even the window cranks. It all looks like it's been replaced. All the metal's real nice. All the trim looks very good. The lenses, knobs, all looks very good. Original AM radio. It's just very nice. Not incredible, but nothing shabby about it. Kick panels are clean. Embroidered carpet mats, carpeted floor. 4-speed shifter. Now see how it wraps around the bench seat. Multicolor upholstery. This is correct reproduction. Now someone's added new seat belts front and back, so you can bring the kids along too. Got floor mats in back. This here pulls up or pushes down. Same thing, multicolor upholstery. Side panels look like they're new. All the trim's painted. Headliner looks real good. It's perforated headliner. Working interior lights. Visors look good. Has a day and night mirror. That looks good. Real good. Correct steering wheel. So yeah, very good interior as well. The firewall insulation up underneath there looked like that's been replaced. Oh, those doors do shut. Nice. Okay, so best we can tell, that's the original motor because the code, the dates, all line up for this car. They did add a correct tri-power system, and all 3 carburetors are working. All the linkage was adjusted by our shop. Correct fuel lines, the gas bowl, and the big old correct air cleaner. Normally it's in 3 little chrome ones, but this has the air cleaner that's hard to find. Has the cloth choke tube down to the manifold, which is all stock. Firewall's nice and clean. Has GM hoses and clamps. Griffin aluminum radiator. Now, if you wanted it to look stock, you could spray can that black, but that is an upgraded radiator. And dual belts and a generator. Generator is new. It's got a sticker on it still. And then the power disc brakes were added. It's a dual reservoir, much safer than the original. And then up under the hood's very clean. There's the hood insulation. All right, Michael's going to take you for a ride. Hopefully he opens up all 3 carburetors. You actually hear them open. See you in a few minutes.
All right, everybody. Got a sweet Impala here. 348 under the hood. Factory correct tri-power on this car. It's got the old T10 manual 4-speed. Interior's all been redone in this nice tri-color scheme here that they have. Nice bench seat up front and in the back. Seat belts all the way around. Take the whole family for a cruise. This one's been upgraded, power disc brakes up front. Very nice pedal there. Yeah, just a nice vehicle here. Let's see what she's got. All right, and just like that, up to highway speeds, absolutely no problem. Well, you could feel all the carbs opening up there. Absolutely, had full power, very nice accelerator. It's a great experience. This car is lowered with 18s up front and 20s on the back. Nice smooth ride. No complaints here, very nice driving experience. So our shop went over this car top to bottom. Total bill of about $1,900 we spent on it. We did a bunch of tinkering stuff to it. Got the brake lights to work, got the horn to work the right way. A few other things also. Oh, the speedometer, that wasn't working. We got that working correctly. That was completely rebuilt as well. Yeah, nice frame off restoration here. Suspension, everything's been done. You need a full listing of everything that was completed on our work order. That is available on our website. But I can only encourage you to come out and test drive it. Absolutely a good time and a great vehicle. Contact our sales department first. Just give us about a day's notice. All the cars are in a museum setting. We need time to maneuver them around. But yeah, as I see it, it's a fantastic vehicle. Someone's absolutely going to love it. Check out all the details on volocars.com.
Okay, so this was body off frame restored. Floors look to be in good shape. The frame is nice, clean, solid. It's an X frame. It literally, like it sounds, it comes through an X in the middle, and it has a dual exhaust system that's new, and they did a really nice job bending it right along the contour of the frame. They're stainless mufflers, does go all the way out the back. So it does have a lowered suspension. And you really know it when you get out of the car. When I just got out of it, when I pulled it in here, it's like getting out of a Corvette. I stepped out onto the floor. So it is a lowered suspension. Steering looks like that's been rebuilt, upgraded with disc brakes in front, rebuilt drums in back. E-brake cables look like they were new. The fuel tank is new and it's actually polished. It's shiny. You look up at the motor, it still looks spotless. Top and bottom, the motor looks very fresh. Just the nuts, the bolts, the gaskets, the paint. Has the correct canister screw-on oil filter. It has a 4-speed T10, and that looks fresh. The shift linkage all looks new. Rebuilt drive shaft. So pretty nice old car. You don't see many of them. More popular than they've ever been. Convertibles are bringing 200,000. These are a really hot commodity. These and the 59 Impalas right now are doing really well. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen will help answer your questions, including how you're going to get this delivered to your driveway and how to get it financed. Thanks for watching.